Tiny problem. My plan was to now start the walls. As you can see, I've got a nice platform here ready to build the first wall on and raise it here. That was my plan, to raise this wall and that corner wall and then work down across there and work my way around. However, as I come into a slight problem is the fact that my circular saw has broken the basically the thing that holds the disc on the rotor, and it's left-handed thread, so it's very, very difficult to remove the bolt. So it's original devolt, and that means it's a nightmare to get parts for here. It wasn't, now it is under sanctions, and so I will fix it because it's an original and it's an old one, and I really like it, but for now I've had to order in another one, a Chinese thing that'll do the job. It's okay, it's a battery operated, so it's an upgrade from what I was using, so that should be arriving in the next few days or weeks. Up here it takes about 2 weeks for post to get here from Moscow or from St. Petersburg, so sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's a week, sometimes it's longer. So I've got to do something else while I'm waiting. There's always something you can do on buildings, isn't it? It's never-ending tasks. So what can I do? So I'll show you, turn you around and show you what my plan is for now. Plan is to get all these studs in all across here. All the studs have got to be put in. Pretty much, there's 3 lots here, 3 lots there. You got it, lots and lots of them. But there's also something else I can be doing. If you look on some of these joists here, you can see that it is slightly proud here. You see that there? That's slightly proud. And that gives, I'll show you if I can get a better angle. You see it's slightly proud. This timber is slightly bigger than the other timbers. So what I've got to do, I've got to get a Rubanak, which is a plane, electric plane, and just knock that off there. Because what happens is the wall's going to go on there eventually, and when the wall goes on, you've got to get like this. Guess what's going to come through there? All the air. It's going to be insulated, but all the air will come through there. As you can see, I'll show you now the level. You can see we're dead on level there. I'll show you. We're dead on level, and the other way as well probably is, yeah, is dead on level as well. So we're okay, but I have to take that off there. I have to take that off there. Otherwise it's a problem. And anywhere else that this has happened as well. There's one over here I've already took mental note of, where I've put in these already. There's one there, look, has to have a little bit shaved off, and there, a little bit shaved off. Nothing serious, but it all has to be done, all these little jobs. So I'm not short of work.